Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Eager Shows. So here I will show you some tricks to speed up your computer processing speed to almost double that you have right now. So this is a fully safe trick, so you can you don't have to overclock anything, or you don't have to change any processor, or you don't have to do any uh, spend any money on this. So there is a simple trick that will allow you to use all the threads and processes available, all the stamina your processor has, your CPU has, to the maximum. So just let's get started in that. So let's get into the business. So first of all, we need to go to the start menu and go to the run command. So it will open the run command. You have to type in msconfig, capital or small doesn't matter. So you have to just type it and press OK for that. After pressing, you have the system configuration menu. Then you should go to the boot menu here on the second number. Here's the boot menu, and here's the advanced option. So you will go to the advanced options, and you have to check or find out that if it is unchecked, you can check it, and you can use the maximum bit of processors here. Okay, so we will select 4 processor, as I have 4 processors right now in this system. So we have to check 4 processors. There is no problem in that. It is totally safe thing, as 2 processors are always lying vacant, and when you need to uh, utilize the full capability of the system, you have to use 4, and leave the other options here, and you have to select the maximum memory if you want. If you do not want that, that's okay. Computer will optimize according to itself. So we will go to the maximum memory, click it once, and you will see that the maximum memory that I have, it is already there. So you have to just check it and then click OK here, then OK again, and this will you have to restart the system, and we will talk about the step 2, the second thing that is the most important part here on the next clip. Thank you. So after that, another step that I need you to do is to go to the start menu, and type in performance counter. Just type in performance. So the first will be the performance monitor. So we'll click it. So here are the tools for the performance increase. So we will get to see a lot of options. We have to go to only one option, that is data collector set, and we have to select the user defined. What this will do, this will increase and optimize your processors to be used fully when any app is used. So if you open an app, it will use all the processor that your system has. So how to do it? Let's start. So we'll go to user defined. I have created it before, so I will delete it. So I will show you how to create it from start. So go to user defined, and we just right click it here, and you will say new, and go to data collector set. So we can name it anything we want, like I am naming it right now CPU max. So this is the name of the performance data counter. So we will have to go to manual setting here, and we have to click next. Now here we have a option of create data logs for performance counter, so it must be checked. Leave the other option and ignore the other options, and then we will go to the next, and this will show us this window. So leave everything here, just go to add, and this will open up a new window which will show us many options here. So we have to check in only two options here. The first option would be to check the processor, sorry. So we go to the processor, not process right now. We'll go to processor, and there you can see the list of processor 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 0 is for the processor 1 is for the processor 2, and so on. 3 is for the processor 4. So we will go on, click on here 3, and we will just simply add it here. So it is added here, and we do not need to worry about anything else. Then we go to the process. Now this is process, not processor. So we'll go to the process, and here we will see the option for threads. Let's find out the thread option, thread count option. So we will go to thread count option, and we just go to add the thread count. Alright, it is done. We just have to click OK here, and processor total, that total processors are 3, so thread count for the total processes is processor number 3. So means that we are utilizing 0, 1, 2, 3, all the 4 processor for all the apps here. We just click it here, next, and just save and close. Run as, you can call it run as administrator, or just leave it right now. We do not need to do this thing, as you are an admin of the Windows, so we do not need to do these things. Just click here, finish. That's it. All your processes are now, all your steps are now complete. You can restart your system and see a performance boost of your system. So if you liked it, and if you are having benefits with this system, then please like, share, and do comment. And we also want to hear more about new videos. What kind of videos do you want? Any question, any PC question, any mobile question, any SEO question, any data question, everything tech is welcome here. So thank you and have a nice day from Eager Shows.